So this morning my husband made me some eggs and some fruit, which was quite a nice surprise and change considering I usually have my morning smoothie for breakfast, and it was just nice having something different, and it was very tasty. I don't think Keith ever prepares a meal that isn't tasty and that isn't also really pretty and elegant and picture worthy. Keith is actually the one that taught me how to cook. When we first got married, he was 20, I was 19, and I could barely cook a piece of toast. I was Carl's Jr. and like McDonald's were like my go-tos. So when he mentioned when we had first gotten married, going grocery shopping, it was like, grocery shopping? Why? Anyways, as you could see, everything has to be perfect. After my breakfast, I take all my vitamins. I start out with my Juice Plus. It's got all my vegetable, fruit, and berry various nutrients, and so it's really packs a punch. It's known to be very healing. It has healed children with severe allergies, food allergies. It has healed children with autism. And anyway, you guys should really look into this stuff. I will leave the link down in the description box below in case you guys are interested in checking them out. It's by the Juice Plus company. And like I said, they're known to be very healing over time. And I know that since I've been taking Juice Plus, I have noticed a huge difference in my energy and my concentration. And I have just seen a big change in my overall health. And again, I will leave the link down in the description box below if you guys are interested and you want to check it out. I'm going to exercise, and then I need to go through my dresser drawers because they're so stuffed with clothes I can hardly shut the drawers anymore. Wow. I worked out on that thing for like 15 minutes and I feel like I've ran like 5 miles. I am really out of shape, you guys. So I'm gonna start out slow since it's been so long, and I'm gonna just try to at least get 15 minutes in 4 to 5 days a week. And then slowly work up to a half hour and then maybe 45 minutes. But I'd really like to look good in this here bathing suit this summer. This is my inspiration, and no more of this. Okay, I don't no more of this, and no more of this stuff here. I don't think so. So time to get on a strict exercise routine and meet my goal. So I'm going to take you guys with me to show you my favorite snack ever, trail mix. And I love this particular combination. It's got dried sweetened cranberries, almonds, and cashews. And I just absolutely love, these are the perfect quick snack. Though I could probably eat these all day long. So do me a favor, guys, let me know in the comment section below what your favorite snack is. I would love to know. So now I'm going to change out a couple of our filters. And my husband got these reusable filters at Lowe's. They're really handy because you could just wash them. And let's try it. I'm going to try not to fall and break a bone. It's really dusty. You're really supposed to change these out like at least once a month. But I've been very busy. My husband's been busy, and things happen. But this is really dirty. But yeah, you can instead of the disposable, you could just wash these, which saves you a ton of money. And also, if you change these regularly, it will really help with dust and allergies, and it'll help the cold air to blow colder, and it might even save money on your electric bill. So Keith and I step outside to have a cup of coffee and to discuss some future projects and plans that we have for our home. We feel that we've kind of had to put it on hold due to our previous home being on the market, and we're hoping that by this summer we will find a buyer so we can go ahead and move on with our plans and goals here at the new house. We've got a large unfinished basement that we'd really like to restore and remodel and add some new bedrooms to. Our kitchen has very little countertop space, so I would really like to make some modifications there. My bathroom has a really large bathtub area, and I really don't take baths, and it's got this itty bitty shower, so I would really like to open that shower up and make some changes there. We've got a lot of painting we would like to do in various areas of the house. We'd like to put in some carpet in certain areas, and there's just a lot of also small projects that we would like to, and changes we would like to make. So those are some exciting upcoming events that I will surely share with you guys. And I am sorry for the delay in getting this video posted. It's been a busy week. It's time for lunch. So come with me to the kitchen to make my kiddos some lunch. So I'm going to be going through Joseph and Abraham's clothes because they've both grown out of a lot of their clothing, and whatever Joseph has grown out of can go to Abraham, and what Abraham has grown out of can go to Marshall. And whatever cannot be passed down, I'm just going to put bag up and put away in the closet. And I'm just going to time lapse it so we can get through this quickly. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay tuned for some more spring cleaning and who knows what else. And don't forget to find me on Facebook, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notify button. Follow me on Instagram, and don't forget to check my website out at fairandorganized.com. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what your favorite snacks are. And that's it. Don't forget to stay organized in style with fairandorganized.com.